Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali equipped with Z71 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle, we have our aftermarket HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine that produces 397 horsepower and 765 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a trailer hitch receiver and easy lift and lower tailgate. This Denali has a towing capacity up to 13,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as a Bose audio sound system, and our automatic headlight controls and four-wheel drive controls. This Denali is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats and WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane departure warning. On the vehicle's key fob, we have a remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat, as well as our DVD player.